News now coming in from the southern state of Kerala. They are in alliance together of the India bloc, but there is an internal rift as well in the state politics. News coming in from Kerala that Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said left have always had the same stand on the Citizenship Amendment Act, but it is our experience that the Congress is not able to oppose the CAA sincerely. In Kerala, we stood together initially on CAA, but then they changed it. We took a stand together, passed the resolution in the assembly together. That stand has changed. It's not because of an immature decision by a leader of the party. It's the Congress party that's one of the most important parties of the state. This will have to be a national stand. So CAA has become an issue of contention right now between the left parties and the Congress party. They are in alliance as the India bloc, but for Kerala, they have said, and this is for Citizenship Amendment Act largely, where Pinarayi Vijayan, remember, has been immediately against it, saying that this cannot be in a secular country based on religion, that citizenship can be given, while the Congress party, he claims, has not been able to strongly oppose it despite being on the same platform. Listen in to Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan.
ഈ പറയുന്ന പൗരത്വ നിയമ ഭേദഗതിക്കെതിരായി ആത്മാർത്ഥതയോടെ അണിനിരക്കാൻ കോൺഗ്രസിന് കഴിയുന്നില്ല എന്നത് നമ്മുടെ അനുഭവത്തിലുള്ള കാര്യമാണ്. ഒരു രാഷ്ട്രീയ വിമർശനമായി ഉയർത്തുന്ന കാര്യമല്ല ഞാൻ. നമ്മുടെ അനുഭവം പങ്കിടുന്നു എന്ന് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇപ്പോൾ കേരളത്തിലെ ആദ്യഘട്ടത്തിൽ യോജിച്ചാണ് നടപടികൾ സ്വീകരിച്ചത്. പക്ഷെ പെട്ടെന്ന് ചൂട് മാറ്റി. യോജിച്ച് പ്രക്ഷോഭത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തു, യോജിച്ച് നിലപാടെടുത്തു, യോജിച്ച് നിയമസഭയിൽ പ്രമേയം പാസാക്കി. ഈ നിലപാട് മാറുമ്പോൾ അത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നേതാവിന്റെ അപക്വമായ നിലപാട് കാരണമല്ലാതെ ഒരു സംസ്ഥാനത്തെ ഒരു പാർട്ടിയുടെ അപക്വമായ നിലപാട് കൊണ്ടും വരുന്നതല്ലാതെ. കാരണം കോൺഗ്രസ് എന്ന പാർട്ടി രാജ്യത്തുള്ള പ്രധാന പാർട്ടിയല്ലേ. അപ്പൊ രാജ്യത്ത് അവർക്കൊരു നിലപാടുണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ. രാജ്യത്തുള്ള നിലപാടിന് വിരുദ്ധമാണ് നിങ്ങൾ സ്വീകരിക്കുന്ന നിലപാട് എന്ന് കേരളത്തിലെ കോൺഗ്രസുകാരോട് പറഞ്ഞായിരിക്കില്ലേ ഇവിടെയുള്ള നിലപാട് മാറ്റിച്ചത്. അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായല്ലേ അന്ന് KPCCയുടെ പ്രസിഡന്റ് സ്ഥാനത്തിരിക്കുന്നയാള് ഈ നിയമസഭാ പ്രമേയത്തെ പരിഹസിക്കാൻ തയ്യാറായത്. ഒരു നിയമസഭാ പ്രമേയം പാസാക്കിയതിൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി വലിയ തോതിൽ മേനി നടിക്കുകയാണ്.
So let's try and understand what's brewing in Kerala. Joining me on the phone line is India Today's Shibimol KG. Shibimol, good morning. What is the reason, perhaps, do you think that at this point, despite being together in the India Bloc alliance, that the left parties are charging at the Congress party over the Citizenship Amendment Act?
Well, Pooja, as far as we understand, this is an issue that's become a major political issue in the state as far as since we are approaching the Lok Sabha elections also. There's a lot of discussions around CAA going on in the state, especially initiated by the Left Democratic Front. Now, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, since the last 2 weeks, have consistently attacked the Congress on asking what their stand is on the CAA. He has been the ruling CPM here has been organizing around 5 rallies in the last few days against the CAA, which the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has been addressing. So where he is constantly attacking the Congress, asking why the Congress do not have a clear stand on the CAA. Initially, when the CAA was introduced in the state, the Congress and the left had stood together, protested against it. Even in the state legislature, a resolution was passed unanimously with the Congress. But after that, they took a U-turn and they stopped supporting the left in this fight against CAA. And where did it go wrong? Why did it happen with the Congress that it decided to stop supporting the left in a common cause? In the country, there should be a stand. Congress, being a national party, should have a stand on CAA, which is not something that we are seeing right now. We have to see it as an appeal to the minority community here by the left, here by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan especially, because the minority vote bank, this Congress in alliance with the Muslim League, has been a stronghold for the Congress party. So this is an appeal by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to the minority community here, showing that we are a much, stronger front as far as opposing.
It looks like what you're telling us, Bimol, that Kerala could be where a lot of surprises are in take, and specifically for Congress and left parties to stand together, as with BJP also trying to make inroads into the southern state. Appreciate you joining us. Shibimol with the latest.